Hi guys, welcome back to another short video of SpaceX updates. That was quite a week, wasn't it? We had 3 static fire tests, 2 on the booster and the other on the Starship 24. There are no more road closures scheduled for this week, so Starbase will have a break from breathing fire. But at the same time, Booster 7 has been lifted off from the orbital launch mount and is being prepared to roll back to the production site. But why? Weren't all the 20 engines supposed to be tested? Well, SpaceX may have got the data they were looking for, or might have even exceeded their expectation. So, they have decided to lift Booster 7 off the orbital launch mount and roll back to the production site to fit the all remaining 13-center gimbling engines too. Labpadre's Rover 1 cam captured all the 13-center Raptor engines moved to the megabay. They will try to install these engines right after Booster 7 returns to the megabay. So, next week is gonna be a biggie. We may see static fire of the booster involving multiple engines. Things are really heating up at Starbase. Aren't you guys excited? I feel very pumped up about these static fire tests. With Starbase coming to life once again, Elon's target of an orbital launch attempt in September looks achievable. But I can't say for sure until they fire up all the 33 engines. But I feel very optimistic. What do you guys think? September or October? SpaceX is all set to launch its 36th mission of the year. Yes, you heard it right. It is their 36th mission of 2022. Falcon 9 carrying another batch of 46 Starlink satellites will lift off from Space Launch Complex 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The liftoff is currently scheduled at 2:40 p.m. Pacific. Well, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.